All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Today we're going to be talking about Dogelon Mars. Lots of good stuff going on with Dogelon. This coin is up about 8% in the last 24 hours, up about 7% in the last 7 days. When we're all done, we'll do a nice price prediction on Dogelon, what we think Dogelon's going to do. Also, we're going to cover that deposits are now available on Gemini for Dogelon Mars. All kinds of good stuff right there. Then we're going to talk about 3 dogs in a boat. You know the dogs. Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and Dogelon Mars. And they're all in a boat, and we're going to find out where Dogelon Mars ranks with the other 2. So they're getting real close, so that's going to be pretty good information we're going to go over. Then Tesla is accepting Dogecoin for certain merchandise. We're going to hit that for a tad. And last but not least, Facebook has changed its name of the company to Meta. So we're going to cover all this today. So don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and the ultimate goal, one day, own some cryptocurrency. That's right. All right, everybody, let's head over to Dogelon Mars. All right, right here, Dogelon Mars, 116th cryptocurrency, just listed a few months ago, up 9% in the last 24 hours. It's up almost 9% in the last 7 days. All right, over here to the right, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros and a 1282. Again, it's up about 8% in the last 24 hours. Take a look in the last 24 hours. It's like going up the mountain, then it came back down, and then all of a sudden, like, wham, it's way up here. So Dogelon Mars is going on an uptick right now, so that's pretty good. Up again about 8%. Couple quick advertisements a month or so ago, but I just wanted to do a little plug here. You know, Elon is on Crypto.com. You know, there's 150 different supported cryptocurrencies on there, so Elon is on Crypto.com. Dogelon Mars is an Ethereum-based cryptocurrency. It's not a meme coin, but a real project that's stated a mission to become the first, and I like this, interplanetary currency that can be used for paying for transport of settlers to Mars. Yep. So we're going to have cryptocurrency to make sure that we got money to be paid to get us to Mars. All right, Dogelon Mars. The developers are aiming to develop trustworthy community-based coins by encouraging a Dogelon Mars community to airdrop their Elon tokens to victims in crypto scams and other rug pulls. All right, again, over here at the website, Crypto.com is right on the website. So if you want to buy through Crypto.com, Dogelon, you click right here. If you're looking to get it on Uniswap, you click right here. There you go. Boom, we're at Uniswap. Boom, there you go. We're at Crypto.com. Boom, there you go. Start the tour. So over here at the Twitter account, Elon deposits are now open on Gemini. So you can actually do deposits on Gemini with the Dogelon Mars. Elon, pretty awesome stuff right there. Next thing right here, Christmas is here. 'Tis Christmas. We want to show our community how important they are to us. We're giving you the chance to pick the top 3 tokens popular among the crypto community that could be listed. So we got $GM, $Elon, and $people. Looks like Elon right here is leading the pack with 54%. Jumping over here to Tesla is accepting Dogecoin as payment for merchandise, says Musk. You know, there's a Dogecoin. The Tesla chief Elon Musk said Tuesday that the electric car maker will accept Dogecoin as payments for merchandise on a test basis, sending the meme-based cryptocurrency up 20%. Tesla will make a merch buyable with Dogecoin to see how it goes, Musk said in the tweet. So pretty good stuff. Guess what? You can go, oh yeah, and the price point is $50 to $1,900. We got it right here. Musk did specify the merchandise would be priced at anywhere from about $50 right here. $50 to go as high as $1,900. So you'll be able to buy merchandise up $50 all the way up to $1,900 with your Dogecoin over there at Tesla. I thought this one was a big one. Facebook changes the company's name to Meta. You know, on Thursday they announced it would change its name, the company name to Meta. The name change was announced as Facebook Connected in a virtual reality conference. The new name reflects the company's growing ambition beyond social media. Facebook is now known as Meta, has adopted the new, based on sci-fi terms, metaverse to describe its vision for working and playing in the virtual world. Today we're seeing social media companies, but in our DNA, we are a company that built technology to connect people. And the metaverse is the new frontier, just like social networking was when we started. Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg said. So take a look at that. So here we're going to be in the metaverse. The Meta stock prices closed on Thursday. Our hopes within the next decade, the metaverse will reach 1 billion people, host hundreds of billions of dollars of digital commerce, and support jobs for millions of creators and developers. So, and there's all kinds of good stuff going on with Facebook. I mean Meta. All right, so far we got some Dogelon Mars. We're going to come back to a price prediction. We got Dogecoin being accepted at Tesla, which is kind of good, $50 and $1,900. And then we also got Facebook being called Meta, and they're getting into a new thing, I guess. All right. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and you guessed it, one day own some cryptocurrency. Now, right on the Dogelon Mars' website, you got 4 places where you can go and buy Dogelon Mars. All right, let's jump back over to 3 dogs in a boat. All right, here we go, 3 dogs in a boat. To say nothing about sanity, Dogelon Mars hits the top 120 cryptocurrencies. Take a look right here. We got Dogelon, we got Shiba, and we got Dogecoin. I mean, look at their faces. Shiba's just so... Look how happy Shiba is. Now, Dogelon, I don't know. He's kind of happy to be there. I mean, I guess he's just there. And Dogecoin, yeah, he's like, yeah, why are you taking another picture? Why? Well, anyways, somebody once said that your creation is not yours anymore once you let it go to the public. Even though Elon Musk never created Dogecoin, he did shake it up the crypto world, spawning a herd of animal-based meme coins that some traders got burnt and also proved to be lucrative, and other ones became doggy millionaires. Nevertheless, the fact remains that the Dogecoin and Shiba holds the 11th and 13th spot, respectively, among the cryptocurrency ranking. Well, there's a new challenger that appeared in the horizon. You know who that challenger is. Dogelon Mars. You got it. This cryptocurrency reached 118th place of total market cap on December 13th. After the coin was launched just in May of the same year. It says it experienced a bottom slide, not to mention a pump and dump instance, yet the coin survived the perseverance, surging during October and November. Now the coin is in the trader's observation of slow bear run. This project claims to be the first interplanetary currency. Moreover, it was announced that the tag of, this is not a meme coin. So yeah, there's a new sheriff in town. Well, you got number 11th, number 13th, and number 118, but Dogelon Mars is right there being listed with the other 2 big meme coins, even though it's not a meme coin. All right, over here, Dogelon Mars. Again, this token is up now 10% in the last 24 hours. What's our price prediction? Well, there's 5 zeros and a 1306. I think this thing can 3x and go to 5 zeros, 4000. So instead of it being 1302, being 4000. Again, all the information is for educational purposes only. But this token in November was the 7th most talked about cryptocurrency on Twitter. I mean, that's pretty big, the 7th most. Dogelon Mars, we got whales buying it, all kinds of good stuff. Again, at 116, Dogelon Mars. To round up the top 10, Avalanche is at number 10, up about 18% in the last 7 days, $121. Luna is up 42% in the last 7 days, $87.68. Cardano is up about 3% in the last 24 hours, $1.35. XRP's got a nice 21% increase in the last 7 days, traded at exactly $1, up 4%. Solana is $180, up about 1%, 1.9% in the last 7 days. Binance Coin is $533. Ethereum is just went under 4,000 by slightly. And Bitcoin is at 48.5. All right, all kinds of good stuff going on. So again, don't forget to share this video with your friends. We're trying to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency. Monday through Friday, we bring you a video every single day at noon. Our bonus videos are at 5 o'clock and 8 o'clock, Monday through Fridays. And on the weekends, we bring you videos around 3 or 4 o'clock. Hey, everybody, it's a fantastic day today. Dogelon Mars, talking about that. Everything else that's going on in cryptocurrency. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Hey, everybody, have a fantastic day today.